Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit picture-in-picture video effects on CapCut. That is how to put your talking head video in a box or in a circle. I've seen a lot of Facebook video or YouTube video where you will see somebody reacting to a video. How do we do that on CapCut? Click on CapCut, new project. These are the two videos that I want to use, so click on it and click on add like this. So I have the two video here, one is longer and this is the second one. We want to put this one in a circle as if we are reacting to this particular video. Let me cut this video from here, let me cut it. Now let's go back to the other video, click on this video and we are going to look for overlay. Click on overlay and drag this video. Let's just drag it, you just pin it down, drag it to the beginning of this video, just like this. You can see we can't see the first video again, which is fine. It's going to appear soon. Click here again, split it, delete. Alright, coming back to this video, click on, let's look for mask. Look for mask. Where's mask? This is mask. And click on circle for this one. Let's try to make it bigger like this. Adjust it. So you just adjust it to how you want it to look. So it's like, if you're okay like that, click mark it. Then you can use your two finger to reduce the video and position it to where you want it to be, like this, and click out. Then too busy with the project, see that the video, let me quick split small from this video so that it will look perfectly okay. Then like this, so you can see project assignment and you can see how this video is reacting as if is telling us or explaining this video. Basically, this is how we do picture in picture on CapCut. I hope you find this video interesting. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one.